Yeah, so it's interesting. There's companies like Bench out there. That's the first one that comes to mind. There was a client where I used to work at a company before, was really reluctant to join us because he is like, well, I can pay, $500 a month to work with a company like Bench or hire a VA. And why are you so special? Why would I want to work with a company like yours? Or why not? What's the difference? And it's interesting because yes, there is just bookkeeping, but having an accountant or a high level accounting oversight over your numbers is like exponentially important, right? A lot of companies like, let's say Bench, and I'm not trying to bash Bench, but a company like Bench or a VA is often from another country. They don't understand US based accounting. They don't have an understanding of why you're trying to organize things for, let's say, decision making purposes, using it for tax. So like, it's really important to have this accounting oversight to really understand that stuff, right? And I think that's the major difference. Add in having your own CFO advisor, that takes it to a whole nother level because now they can use that information and help you make decisions with it. But honestly, the quality and the validity of your numbers is so important. You're using it to make decisions, right? So if your numbers are not reliable and you feel like, that $500 a month person really isn't giving you exactly, confidence in your numbers, then you should definitely not be using them. So there is a substantial difference between accounting and just bookkeeping.